Understanding behind the times. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, behind the times. This phrase is not just about clocks or calendars, but it has a deeper meaning in social and technological contexts. Stay with us to explore its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your conversations. Let's get started. Behind the times is a phrase that describes someone or something that is outdated or not keeping up with current trends or standards. It implies that the person, idea, or object is stuck in the past, failing to evolve or adopt new advancements. This can relate to fashion, technology, beliefs, or even business practices. Let's put this phrase into context with some examples. Technology. My grandfather still uses a flip phone. He's a bit behind the times. Fashion. Wearing those old 90s clothes, you might appear behind the times at a modern party. Business practices. Companies that ignore remote work are behind the times in today's digital world. Being behind the times can have its charm in certain nostalgic contexts, but it's crucial in many areas of life to stay updated. Whether it's keeping up with technology to enhance productivity or understanding cultural shifts to maintain relevance, staying informed helps us connect with the world around us more effectively. Here are a few tips to avoid falling behind the times. Follow reliable news sources and trends in your field of interest. Engage with diverse communities online and offline to gain different perspectives. Embrace lifelong learning through courses, workshops, and self-study. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning of behind the times. Remember, it's never too late to update your knowledge and habits to stay in tune with the times. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to keep learning and growing. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.